Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I want to help you improve your skills in using Microsoft Office Word. In this way, I will show you how to easily use the Microsoft Word environment, including menus, icons, word shortcut keys, working with images, and etc. I'm gonna teach you different parts of Microsoft Word. For example, how to change the text style and font size. Also, I will introduce the available tabs in Microsoft Word as well as how to work with photos, shapes, and tables. In Insert tab, you can insert any symbols you want. And also, the Microsoft Office Word helps you to type mathematical formulas and equations as simple as possible. It's very important that you can design your document in the best way. It can impress your teacher or anyone you are dealing with. Therefore, I will teach you how to use the Design and Layout tabs to improve the visual appearance of your document. In References tab, you can insert table of contents, footnote, citation, caption for images and tables, and index. This will help you to organize your document and apply proper structure to it. In Mailings tab, you can mail your document for anyone you want. For reviewing your document, you can use the Review tab. For example, you can correct some spelling and grammar mistakes, count your total words using translation, leave a comment and notes, track changing in document, and comparing contents. Microsoft Word has placed some features in the View tab to facilitate the use of this software. I hope I can teach you good things about using Microsoft Office Word. Please subscribe this channel and share it with your friends.